YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a quick fix on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend. This is the Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. Stay tuned. And we're back. So today we've got another quick fix video for you on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. As you guys can see, this is a very broken down cleaner. It's missing about 3/4 of the product. If you guys want to see how we got to this point, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a playlist of videos that show you how to take this cleaner apart from the outside in. For today's video, we want to go over and show you guys how to swap, as well as the purpose of the Venturi jets located on the bottom of the cleaner. So with the Legend 2, it does have two Venturi jets located on the very bottom orifice here that the debris is actually going to go through. The purpose of these jets is to help create a Venturi pull for the debris underneath the cleaner to get sucked up in through the main tube up into the bag of your cleaner. So they are very important and crucial to the functionality of your cleaner. If you're noticing that you're not really getting a lot of debris or other things in your bag from your cleaner, this is going to be the first place that you're going to want to check. So with these little Venturi jets, they do take water as the pressure comes through your main tube here and comes all the way down your feed pass tube. By the time it's made it through your tail sweep, down in through your rear thrust jets, and then it'll actually make it to your Venturis. And as you guys can see, the Venturi jets are actually tied together underneath the cleaner here with another hose tube here with a couple hose clamps on it. So as the water's coming through, say dirt and debris gets lodged into this feed mass for whatever reason, and it's trying to push through this tube, it cannot come out of these Venturi jets. So if you're not seeing debris getting shot up into the bag of the cleaner, this is where you're going to want to start, because sometimes over time they'll get little pieces of sand or grit or debris stuck into these Venturi jets, which stops the flow of the water from pulling all that debris off the floor. So if you're seeing that issue, this will be the first thing that you want to check for. Obviously these slide right out, as you guys can see from the video. There's two that only slide towards the floor. So as the cleaner would be in itself, it's like this. Obviously you can't pull them up. You have to flip the cleaner over and it slides down. You're just gonna grab the jet from the top and it just slides right down for you. So similar to some of the other pressure cleaners from Pentair, these are meant to have O-rings on them so that they help you make sure that these are just airtight, and that the water that it's being driven to it is actually pushing through these jets and up towards the bag of the cleaner. For our display unit, they did not put O-rings on these Venturi jets, but when you do purchase new Venturi jets for your cleaner, they will come with an O-ring that actually sits in this dug out part on the plastic mold here. So it'll actually have a little O-ring here that slides in, so that as you push this back up to reinstall, it'll actually help seal it better against the frame of the cleaner. So if you have any dirt or debris, if you're noticing that the bag's not getting filled, you're going to take this out and you want to try to blow the debris back out. Don't try to blow the debris from the backside out the little orifice. You want to go the opposite direction, because obviously, as you guys can see, this hole is a lot smaller than the hole that's located on the back. So to make sure that you get the debris out, you want to blow from the Venturi jet out to the other side, so that way you can get all that debris and dirt out of these. So once you've done that and everything's good, you're just going to take your new units, and the jets actually point up towards the bag, just like the functionality is meant for. They're already pre-done to slide right into this little part on the frame. You just go until you can't push them up anymore. It'll be a little tighter with the O-ring, because as you're pushing it up, the O-ring's gonna help seal it and keep it all nice and tight there for you. So all you're gonna do is push it till it gets flush with the edge on the bottom, and then you're good to go. You should be able to put the cleaner back in the water, fire it up, and make the functionality work. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. Again, we've got tons of videos on how to tear this cleaner apart from the outside in, as well as more to come. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.